Today we come with some shrimp, some potatoes, some fish. We just come to sit down, have a good time. We're gonna eat lunch and just chat on, where we've been, our journey since the last video, because it has been a long trek. Okay, y'all ready? Dad, you want a potato?
Yes.
LT, you want a potato? Yes. So we got some baked potatoes. We got some fish. You want some fish?
Mm-hmm.
You want a piece of fish? You want some shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
It might be a little bit of smacking going on, some burping. Oh, Lord, I'm making a mess.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all have to excuse us if we smack. We are a smacking family, and that is for real.
Mm-hmm.
We gonna call this a seafood sort of kind of feast. We forgot the sour cream for the potato.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Did you want some cocktail sauce?
Mm-hmm.
So y'all, it has been a long journey. No lie. We've done had deaths, hospitalization, open heart surgery.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
I ain't even braiding hair like that. It was just so much going on. So, a little bit of depression in there.
Mm-hmm.
But to be back behind this camera, being able to talk to you guys is a blessing. Is it good, Elton? I know these shrimps is good.
Mm-hmm.
I know y'all might think this is great Kool-Aid, but this church punch, okay? If y'all been in church and they be feeding after church, y'all know about this church punch. All it is Kool-Aid with some ginger ale added to it. That's it. If y'all need to know what to have for dinner, this is it. This is so good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Y'all ever had church punch at y'all church? I used to look forward to them days. Dad, you had church punch at your church?
Yeah. Pretty wild.
What? What kind of church punch y'all had that made it wild?
Real whatever, alcohol. Man.
What?
It's Lord, everybody will know. I mean, whatever. Some kind of way.
Okay, y'all was getting lit at the church, y'all.
Not me. Well, I've been watching you.
Drunk saints.
Yeah. Drunk. Whatever.
Y'all gotta eat. Go to Walmart and get y'all some of these shrimp.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But around the time of my last video, I had a miscarriage. Y'all, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. That took me out, okay? I'm leaving this in here. I ain't even editing this part out because somebody gonna need that laugh one today. But you know what? I needed that laugh because when you talk about miscarriages and stuff like that, you know, it got me to a place where I ain't want to see nobody. Maybe y'all don't know, back in 2003, the day before my 19th birthday, my very firstborn, we had to make a decision to keep her on a ventilator. She was only 3 weeks old. So to go through another loss, it became too much. And then once I finally decided, like, okay, I'm strong enough to come back behind the camera, one of my uncles, whom I was very close with, passed away. And here I go again. And sometimes you can talk and pray and fast and do all that stuff, but it ain't the same. Then, once I came back from that, not even a week later, not even 1 week, I was in the hospital. Stress. So, fast forward to that, literally, get back off track with that. Get back on track. See this guy right here? Suffered heart attacks. He ended up in the hospital.
Yeah.
Had to have open heart surgery. It was just a lot going on. I can't with this guy, okay? I thank God every day that he's still here, though. But y'all, being that I don't braid hair like that, because my dad has to now live with us for a little bit till he's able to go back home to Delaware. And shout out to Eat with Q. She's from Bear, Delaware. I don't personally know her, but just the mere fact that she is in DE, which is the first state, Delaware. I just want to shout you out, honey. Sending you love, even though I'm here in North Carolina. I can still shout out somebody from my hometown. You know what I'm saying? She ain't got to know me. Prayer go where we can, okay? And I can't go home right now because of my dad. Can't make that long drive. But I wish her many blessings. So, my dad has rehabbed, and hopefully he is clear to go home soon. So, This one here, that one right there. He's supposed to be in school, y'all. We're going to take a moment of silence on that. Pray for your boy. Y'all, we were so hungry, we forgot to say our grace.
I know that, but Lord, I forgot. Yeah.
Lord, forgive us, okay? I know y'all gonna get us. Hold on, let's stop. Lord, forgive us because we sure forgot to say our grace.
Amen.
But God, we just ask you, Lord God, to bless this food, Lord God, that it will be a nourishment to our bodies. Bless those that are watching. God, keep it safe from all hurt, harm, danger, seen and unseen. We just thank you. We praise you in Jesus' name. Amen. Excuse me. Now I want to hear about this church punch.
Well, one of my friends came to church. He's a alcohol. And he said, I'm going to put it in the punch in the church. So he went up there and poured all of it in the punch. And then stirred it up. So the preacher got him going. I'm saying, please don't drink it. Please don't drink it. We drunk it.
And who else drunk it?
Everybody in there. All of them were getting told.
Lord have mercy.
Oh, that's called church point, yeah.
Okay, we ain't got none of that, okay? Ours ain't got no alcohol. These folks is crazy.
And we was on the news for the 4 holes, for having holes inside of our jeans. Well, this lady, she made a big.
What was y'all on the news? Lord, where was I at? They better not have no picture of you and I ain't know nothing about it.
So we was on the news and they was talking about how, we was on magazines, we was on everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's just a thing where if 100 students sign it, will be, this is little paper going around school.
A petition.
Yeah. Then we'll get to wear jeans. Holes. Not jeans. Anywhere.
And they was at your school?
Yes.
Lord have mercy. Y'all. Where was I at? I don't know. Look at your cheesy potato. My potato ain't had no cheese.
Got it. This one got all the cheese.
I gotta save some of my stomach before dessert. I'm gonna cut a slice.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can chew up here.
Can't do it. I get carried away. You know, I let my lips and
Let me see you do it again.
everything get carried away.
Okay, let me see. Am I doing it, y'all?
Yeah, you getting carried away.
He is crazy. Go get you a plate. Y'all, I got crumbs all over my shirt. This is a mess.
That's it.
Now, one of these is caramel. I'm gonna guess this. absolutely too much. Where's the butter knife? What kind do you want?
I don't know.
I don't like that.
I don't want all
what if this fell on my head, y'all? What if this just fell right on my head? Why would you put what it is at the bottom? These people doing too much. What kind of cake is this? You gotta hold it all up and look at it.
Yeah, you're following them white now,
Cake with cream icing, cake with chocolate cream icing, cake with caramel icing, cake with chocolate fudge. Now you better pick one. Just pick one. I'm not looking to up that again. Look at my shirt. This is ridiculous.
No, which one?
Y'all gonna think we crazy, but this is us on a regular basis. Boy, pick it. We gonna eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Well, you don't want none. Give me that.
Do y'all want one?
Okay, good.
I want a small slice. I want no big one.
Put that there. That's caramel, I know. Is that too big?
No.
Let me know how it tastes.
I don't know if my stomach is going to allow me to eat that chocolate.
No, you can have that piece there.
I might have to give me a slice, but I want caramel. You want a slice?
I got to finish this now.
If I don't eat it now,
I love my food.
I'm going to be hating myself. I'm like, I should have ate that. Taste just one slice.
Can you put that over there? Put it up there, way out the way.
This is disgusting.
I wasn't ready. I almost choked on my food. Y'all, I was not ready. My Lord. Okay, well, I guess don't buy that cake. Okay. You heard it from LT. It is. I don't know. He got me kind of scared to try it. We about to see. What do it taste like?
I don't know what it tastes like.
It just look pretty.
Yeah, that's the only thing. It looks good.
Here I go, y'all. Lord bless my taste buds. In Jesus' mighty name.
What dry?
I'm just gonna. We gonna tell no tales. You taste it.
Look terrible.
Dad, taste it.
Give him the icing. That's the bad part.
Nuh-uh, because mine is caramel. Let me see. This icing tastes good. Finish your food in your mouth so you can get the real flavor.
Ain't nothing.
You don't like it?
I don't taste nothing. I'm not gonna take that. I don't taste nothing.
It don't taste good?
No, I can't taste it. I can't taste what it is.
Y'all, we got this cake from Walmart. I knew you was gonna go back to that baked potato. You don't like the cheese? Oh, you sure told me. I want to put cheese on there. Y'all, this this is just so rude, okay? Look at him.
This cake messing me up bad.
Yeah, you are nasty and germy to you.
Okay, I got my tissue. Boy.
No, don't dig it out.
Oh.
Y'all, we're back. I'm gonna tell y'all the God honest truth. I was trying to make this the most perfect video possible. But you know what? We're just an ordinary family.
Yeah.
Hey, we them crazy folks you might want to invite to a barbecue. Like, oh yeah, we're gonna have some good time today.
Well, I'm enjoying myself. 100 times.
Y'all. This is gonna be an interesting video, ain't it?
Yeah.
I can't edit that part out because they like that kind of stuff.
You gonna be in there?
Okay, guys. Well, we done ate. We done laughed. We had a good time. I just want to say I love you all. Thank every last one of y'all. I love you all. Kisses. Until next time, I see you right back here. Whatever it is. Bye.
Man.